Hey there, welcome to a new video. In this video we talk about Redux. So Redux is a downsampler and bit reduction tool. So it's pretty simple. Let's see how it works. It has two knobs and an on-off button for the bit reduction and a hard soft downsampling mode. So let's try with soft. This is the effect of downsampling. Let's try with hard. It gets nasty really quickly. Then we have bit reduction. Oops. So the higher the value, the less bit reduction we have. So now this is in 16-bit. Then we can have 8-bit. And that's it. We also have this overload indicator, and indicates that the signal is above 0 dBs and is being clipped by the bit reduction. And this is it. One bonus tip for this effect is to use it in soft mode with downsample on cymbals, hi-hats and all that stuff, because just because if they are too bright, you can downsample them and just have them less bright, less annoying, instead of going with EQ. So just try it. See you in the next video.